Peace be upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in different medium. Different medium indicate that acidic, alkaline and neutral medium. Acidic, alkaline, that is basic and in neutral medium. In these three medium, that manganate ion undergo reduction by gaining different number of electrons. Therefore, gain of number of electron are different in different medium. So, equivalent weight of potassium permanganate also different in different medium. That we are going to discuss by using the equivalent weight determination formula. Let's see. Equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in different medium. So, what is the formula used to calculate the equivalent mass? Equivalent weight of potassium permanganate KMnO4, in which manganese is in +7 oxidation state, potassium permanganate, that is equal to molecular weight of KMnO4, molecular weight of potassium permanganate. You know the molecular formula KMnO4 whole divided by number of moles of electron, number of moles of electrons transferred, number of moles of electrons transferred. So, for different medium, we are going to calculate the equal mass of potassium permanganate by calculating molecular weight of KMnO4 and the number of moles of electron transferred. First, we are going to calculate molecular weight of KMnO4. We know addition of atomic weight will give molecular weight. Addition of atomic weight will give molecular weight. Molecular weight of potassium permanganate, that we are going to calculate. Potassium permanganate containing 1 K. Now, we are going to see molecular weight of potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate contain 1 potassium K, 1 manganese plus how many oxygen? 4 oxygens are present in KMnO4. 4 oxygens are present in KMnO4. Addition of atomic weight will give molecular weight. Atomic weight of potassium 39 plus manganese 55 plus 4 into 16 equal to 39 plus 55 plus 4 into 16 are 64 equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 14, 18, remaining 1, 158 is the molecular weight of potassium permanganate. Now, we are going to write the reduction reaction of KMnO4 in Which medium? First, acidic medium. Acidic medium, presence of H plus ion. To make the medium acidic, we are using sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid make the medium acidic. In acidic medium, how potassium permanganate undergo reduction. Permanganate ion MnO4 minus ion in acidic medium reduced into Mn2 plus ion. You know how to balance the reaction in acidic medium. First we have to balance the elements. One manganese, metal. Metal is balanced on both the sides. Second point, we have to balance oxygen. Left hand side 4 oxygen. The 4 oxygens are balanced by adding equal number of water molecule in the opposite side. Oxygen is balanced by adding equal number of water molecule in the opposite side. So, in acidic medium, permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. You know how to balance the reaction in acidic medium. First we have to balance the number of element on the both the side. Here we have metal. 1 manganese. 4 oxygens are balanced by adding 4 water molecule. Then how to balance hydrogen? 4 into 2s are 8 hydrogen. That 8 hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ion in the opposite side. Oxygen is balanced by adding 4 water molecule. 4 into 2s are 8 hydrogens are balanced by adding H plus ion in the opposite side. Finally, we have to balance number of charges on equal side. Equal side, there must be equal charges. Right hand side we have 2 plus, left hand side must be 2 plus. Here you have 1 minus and 8 plus. 8 plus 1 minus gives 7 plus. So, by adding 5 electrons, 7 plus 5 minus will give 2 plus. Both the side, the charges are now equal. So, after balancing, now we are going to calculate equivalent weight of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Equivalent weight of potassium permanganate KMnO4 potassium permanganate in which medium? Permanganate in acidic medium. Already we have calculated the molecular weight of potassium permanganate is 158 divided by number of electrons gained is equal to 5. Number of electron gained. Actual our denominator is number of moles of electron transferred is equal to 5. When you cancel this, 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. In 8 we have only 1 5, remaining 13. So, 6 5s are 30, 31.6 is the equivalent mass of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Then we are going to change the medium. Now, how to calculate equivalent mass in neutral medium? Which medium? In neutral medium. In neutral medium, how permanganate ion is reduced, how to balance the ionic equation in neutral medium. Neutral basic medium balancing is entirely different when compared with the acidic medium balancing. A neutral medium, permanganate ion MnO4 minus ion is reduced into MnO2. Permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2. How to balance? As usual, first we have to balance the metal. One manganese, one manganese. Then balancing of oxygen and hydrogen is entirely different in neutral and basic medium when compared with the acidic medium. Here you have 2 oxygen on the right hand side. Left hand side 4 oxygen. So in the left hand side 2 oxygens are in excess. That excess 2 oxygen is balanced by adding 2 water molecule in the same side. Right hand side 2 oxygen, left hand side 4 oxygen. 2 oxygen are in excess, that 2 oxygens are balanced by adding 2 water molecule in the same side. Then double the number of OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. Double the number of OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. 4 OH minus ions are added. Metal balanced, oxygen now balanced, hydrogen now balanced. Finally, we have to balance charges. Left hand side 1 minus, right hand side 4 minus. So both the side charges must be equal. Here 4 minus, here 1 minus. Therefore, to balance charges, 3 electrons are added in the left hand side. 3 electrons are added in the left hand side. 3 minus plus 1 minus equal to 4 minus, therefore minus. Charges are balanced. Now, equivalent weight of potassium permanganate. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 potassium permanganate in which medium? In neutral medium. In neutral medium. In neutral medium, how many electrons are transferred? 3. So what is the formula? Molecular weight of potassium permanganate already we have determined divided by number of moles of electron transferred equal to 3. 3 electrons are transferred. When we cancel 158 by 3, 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15. Then in 8 we have 2 3s are 6, remaining 2 20, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18 and goes on. 52.67 is the equivalent mass of potassium permanganate in which medium? Neutral medium. One more medium we have, that is alkaline medium. Alkaline medium, also called basic medium. Alkaline medium. Presence of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Alkaline, basic in nature. Presence of OH minus ion. In alkaline medium, permanganate ion MnO4 minus ion is reduced into manganate ion MnO4 2 minus ion. Manganate ion, permanganate is reduced into manganate. Now we have to balance the equation. 1 manganese, 1 manganese, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen, no hydrogen. Therefore, we have to balance charges. Right hand side 2 minus, left hand side 1 minus. Therefore, the charge is balanced by adding 1 electron. So, this is the reaction takes place in which medium? Alkaline or basic medium. Now, we are going to calculate. Now we are going to calculate equivalent mass of potassium permanganate in basic medium. Equivalent weight of potassium permanganate KMnO4 in which medium? Basic medium. What is the formula? Molecular weight of potassium permanganate. What is the molecular weight of potassium permanganate? 158 divided by number of electrons, number of moles of electrons transferred equal to 1. Therefore, equivalent mass of potassium permanganate in basic medium equal to 158. So, in acidic medium, KMnO4 equivalent mass equal to 31.6. In neutral medium, its equivalent mass equal to 52.67, and in alkaline medium, the equivalent mass equal to 158. Now, we are going to discuss one more reasoning question. Now, we are going to discuss one reasoning question. Hydrochloric acid cannot used for making the medium acidic. Why? To make the medium acidic, sulfuric acid is used to make the medium acidic, but hydrochloric acid cannot be used for making the medium acidic. Why? Because hydrochloric acid undergo reaction with potassium permanganate or manganate ion. Now I write the equation. You know, in acidic medium, permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. In acidic medium, permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. You know the balancing also. First we have to balance the metal, 1 manganese, 1 manganese. Second, oxygen. In acidic medium, 4 oxygen are balanced by adding equal number of water molecule in the opposite side, 4H2O. Then we have to balance hydrogen. 4 into 2s are 8 hydrogens are balanced by adding 8 H plus ion in the opposite side. Metal balanced, oxygen balanced, hydrogens also balanced. Finally, we have to balance charges. Right hand side 2 plus, left hand side 8 plus 1 minus equal to 7 plus. Left hand side must be 2 plus. Therefore, here we have 7 plus. How many electrons are added? 5 electrons are added. By adding 5 electrons, the charges on the both the sides are balanced or equalized. In hydrochloric acid, the Cl minus ion is oxidized into Cl2. Cl minus ion is oxidized into Cl2. Correct? Balance the second equation. First we have to balance the element. 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. Then we have to balance oxygen, no oxygen, hydrogen, no hydrogen. Finally, we have to balance charges on both the sides. Left hand side we have 2 minus. Right hand side charge 0. Therefore, 2 electrons are added on the right hand side. Now, we have to balance, we have to add the 2 equations. When we add the 2 equations, the electrons on the both the equation must be same, similar. First equation 5 electron, second equation 2 electron. To balance the number of electron, first equation is completely multiplied by 2 and second equation is completely multiplied by 5. First equation is completely multiplied by 2, second equation is completely multiplied by 5. When the first equation is multiplied, 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 8s are 16H plus 2 into 5s are 10 electrons. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4s are 8. Second equation is multiplied by 5. 5 into 2s are 10. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2s are 10. When we add the two equations, we have to cancel number of electron on both equations. 10 electron get cancelled. When we add the two equations, we will get 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10Cl minus gives right hand side 2Mn2 plus 5Cl2 plus how many water molecule? 8 water molecule, 8H2O. Because of hydrochloric acid undergo reaction with potassium permanganate, it is not used for making the medium acidic. Like hydrochloric acid, HNO3, nitric acid also cannot be used since it is a good oxidizing agent. Therefore, HNO3 cannot be used since it is a good oxidizing agent. It always react with the reducing agent. KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. It always react with HNO3. Reducing agent. Sulfuric acid is found to be the most suitable. Sulfuric acid is found most suitable since it does not react with potassium permanganate. So, acidified potassium permanganate means potassium permanganate with sulfuric acid, not with hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.